Searching for a new treadmill to add to your at-home exercise routine? After researching the best affordable models on the market, we bought 6 for side-by-side testing and comparison. A quality treadmill can be a great way to maintain your exercise regimen or reach your fitness goals from the comfort of your own home, but which model is right for you? After assembling each treadmill, 2 testers used them for 2 weeks on high-intensity runs, casual walks, and everything in between. We analyzed their running surface, speed range, program workouts, controls, features, and noise levels in an effort to help you find the right model for your needs and budget. The first product on our list is XTerra Fitness TRX 3500. The XTerra TRX 3500 pulled ahead of the competition, nabbing the top spot as our favorite treadmill. With a belt of 60 inches long and 20 inches wide, it has the largest running surface in the test, making for easier strides with less chance of snagging the edge. It is good for folks of all levels of fitness due to the wide speed range of 0.5 to 12 miles per hour, allowing both 5-minute milers and casual walkers to hit their stride. Incline adjusts automatically with 12 levels from 0 to 12%. You can do targeted heart rate training with the built-in heart rate sensors, and it also includes 30 programmed workouts. Whether on a manual or pre-programmed workout, the display includes all the data you need, like the incline and speed, all on a brightly lit, easy-to-read, 6.5-inch blue backlit screen. The controls are intuitive, with quick jump speed and incline buttons on the console, along with easy-to-reach handlebar-mounted adjustment buttons. The XTerra features Bluetooth FTMS connectivity, allowing the user to sync to a number of apps like Swift, Peloton, Runkeeper, and Strava. Paid subscriptions may be required for interactive, live streaming, or on-demand workouts and activity tracking. Multiple add-on features on the console include an integrated fan, device shelf, auxiliary input, speakers, and dual bottle/cup holders to enhance your workout session. The running deck has extra soft cushioning and a lift assist and soft drop feature for easier folding/unfolding. The TRX 3500 is also impressively sturdy and stable with a robust construction and a user weight limit of 350 pounds. As far as assembly goes, the XTerra TRX 3500 required the most elaborate amount of effort. Thankfully, it includes detailed instructions and all of the required tools, but it still takes a lot of time, and several steps require an extra set of hands. Still, we were able to assemble it in about an hour without too much trouble. The TRX 3500 is also the largest and heaviest of all the models we tested. We recommend putting it together in the location where you'll be using it, as moving it anywhere you can't roll it will be really difficult. Though the running deck folds up when not in use, it still takes up a significant amount of space with folded dimensions of 51.2 inches long by 35.5 inches wide by 65.8 inches tall. When set up for use, those dimensions change to 77.2 inches long by 353.5 inches wide by 56.1 inches tall. If you've got the space for it, we feel the XTerra TRX 3500 is an excellent treadmill that will help you take your home workouts to the next level. The next product on our list is NordicTrack T6.5S. The NordicTrack T6.5S was one of the best treadmills we tested. With a large 55-inch long by 20-inch wide running surface, a speed range of 0 to 10 miles per hour, auto incline, and connected features, it put up a serious fight for the top step of the podium. This model's large running surface and 10-mile-per-hour top speed make it a great option for all fitness levels, including hardcore runners. The belt runs smoothly at all speeds, and transitions feel seamless. It has 10 levels of auto incline, up to a 10% grade, flex select cushioning, and 20 pre-programmed workouts. This smart treadmill can sync to your device either via Bluetooth or an auxiliary plug, allowing you to crank your favorite running playlist through its integrated speakers. You can operate it manually via the onboard controls or through the iFit app, where there are loads of training programs, hikes, and runs to follow along with and keep you motivated. When used with iFit, The T6.5S adjusts speed and incline automatically with the chosen trainer and program. Your iFit subscription grants access to 130 trainers with programs for walking, running, cycling, strength training, yoga, and more. The sizable console features heart rate sensors, quick jump buttons for incline and belt speed, and 5-inch wide LCD screen that is easy to read and displays all of your workout specs at a glance. The belt folds up easily when not in use, with a soft drop system and transport wheels that make it relatively easy to move around. It has a 300 pounds weight limit and it comes with an excellent warranty. The NordicTrack T6.5S is one of the heaviest and largest models of our test group. It requires a fair amount of space, even when folded, and once assembled, it is quite awkward to move up or down steps or fit through doorways. It also had the most involved assembly. It took us 1.5 hours to put this model together, and several steps required 2 people. We love the iFit app and think it's a great at-home training tool. It does add an additional monthly or yearly cost to the machine, $15 per month or $180/year for an individual, or $39 per month or $396/year for a family subscription. That is hard to overlook. The T6.5S doesn't come with a fancy screen to stream the iFit workouts, but it does have a device shelf so you can follow along on your own smartphone or tablet. Regardless, it was one of our favorites, and we think it's an excellent treadmill that would make a great addition to anyone's home workout space. The next product is Sunny Health and Fitness SFT 4400 Folding Treadmill. We think the Sunny Health and Fitness SFT 4400 is a solid choice for those on a budget. Although this affordable model might not boast all the bells and whistles of its pricier competition, it can still provide a great workout. The running surface is 49 inches length by 15.5 inches width, with a speed range between 0.5 to 9 miles per hour that's suitable for both walking and running. There are 3 levels of manually adjustable incline and 9 pre-programmed workouts to choose from. The console has quick jump speed buttons, program, mode, and start/stop buttons, and the handles have supplemental buttons for adjusting belt speed or starting/stopping more conveniently. A bright LCD screen clearly indicates time, speed, distance, calories burned, and heart rate when using the heart rate sensors on the handles. You can also select time, distance, or calorie goals for a manual workout. The console features 2 water bottle holders and a device shelf for a phone or tablet, so everything you need can stay within arm's reach. If space is limited, the SFT 4400's belt can fold up or down easily via a soft drop system, and there are transport wheels to make moving it around less strenuous. The running surface is relatively narrow, just 15.5 inches wide, so attention is required to avoid stepping on the side rails while running. We found the SFT 4400 works best for walking and running at slower speeds. While it is nice to have 3 manually adjustable incline levels, the need to adjust it by hand means that doing any sort of hill workout is a complicated process. There is also a weight limit of just 220 pounds. Despite these issues, we believe this is a good and affordable option for walkers or moderate pace runners. The next product is Sunny Health and Fitness SFT 7515 Smart Treadmill. The Sunny Health and Fitness SFT 7515 impressed with its auto incline and smart features. This treadmill boasts a whopping 12 incline settings from 0 up to a steep 12% grade. It has a 49.5 inches length by 16.5 inches width running surface and a speed range of 1 to 8 miles per hour, which we found suitable for walking and for runners who average 7.5-minute miles or slower, in other words, most users. It comes with 12 programmed workouts where it automatically adjusts speed and incline as you go, or you can set time, distance, and calorie goals to count down during a manually controlled workout. The console has an LCD screen that shows speed, time, calories, program, incline, and heart rate info at a glance. There are quick jump buttons for both incline and belt speed, as well as incline and speed adjust buttons on the handles by the heart rate sensors. The SFT7515 also has Bluetooth and an auxiliary input to connect to your device to play music through its integrated speakers or take phone calls as you exercise. It comes equipped with a soft drop system that makes it very easy to fold up and lower the belt, along with transport wheels to help move it around. Its maximum user weight limit is 250 pounds. While we love that the SFT7515 comes with 12 workouts, they are not shown on the console or the display, so you need to keep the manual on hand for reference. The programs are also mostly on the slower side and geared more towards walking than running. We found the belt's 16.5-inch width to be a bit narrow, and a careful, attentive approach was required to not catch the side rails while running. The 8 miles per hour top speed will probably be adequate for most users, but super fit runners or those looking to push their limits may be left wanting. The next product is Goplus SuperFit 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill. The Goplus SuperFit is an impressively compact and convenient 2-in-1 treadmill. It can be used with the handrail folded down as a walking treadmill or in the upright position as a jogging treadmill. In walk mode, it has a speed range of 1 to 4 km per hour and can be used anywhere, including under a desk in your home office. In run mode, the speed range increases up to 1 to 12 km per hour, 7.5 miles per hour max, making it suitable for moderate running speeds. The handrail has a quick release lever, so it's easy to switch between modes. When the handrail is folded down, the SuperFit is very slim and small, and it can easily be stored under a couch, bed, or in a closet when not in use. Its integrated transport wheels and smaller size and weight also make it easier to move around than the competition. Its small LED screen at the front of the tread belt displays time, distance, speed, and calories burned. There are no controls on the handrail. Instead, it uses a small handheld remote to change speed and start/stop a workout. It also has a small Bluetooth speaker and a phone holder so you can listen to music while you exercise. Despite its diminutive size, the SuperFit has a higher weight limit of 265 pounds. While it is very convenient and storable, the SuperFit is not without its faults. The 40 inches length by 16 inches width belt surface is the shortest of all the models we tested. The belt size limited it to walking and running with a relatively short stride and at moderate speeds. Taller users, those with a long stride, or anyone who wants to run fast may find the belt to be a bit too small. The folding handrail is a nice feature, but if you attach the handles to it, you will need to remove them to fold it into the down position, which requires the use of a tool and is somewhat inconvenient. Additionally, the display only provides speed and distance information in km per hour and kilometers and can't be changed, which can be confusing for those used to mile per hour and miles. Otherwise, we feel the SuperFit is a good option for the user who values convenience, versatility, and storability for walking and light jogging. Thanks for watching and hope you liked it. As always, all the links about the products will be in the description below, so if you want to find the best prices and more information that we might not get a chance to mention in the video, be sure to check them out.